as shown in diagram figure A and figure B. In this figure A, there are a diagram and figure B. Figure A indicate the diagram. There are a ramp position. This one is the hold down plunger, and this one is the workpiece, and there are a provide clearance, rack angle, stopper, upper blade, and this one is the lower blade. Upper blade, lower blade, workpiece, hold down plunger, clearance, rack angle, and stopper. This is the figure B. This one is the upper plate. This one is the workpiece, and then is the shear angle. So general purpose machine, general purpose shearing operations use straight line shearing. We're using for straight line shearing, mostly for cutting small pieces from the large sheet stock. जनरल पर्पस शेयरिंग मशीन का यूज़ हम लोग करते हैं स्ट्रेट लाइन शेयरिंग के लिए, जो कि मोस्टली कटिंग स्मॉल पीसेस फ्रॉम लार्ज शीट स्टॉक. The machines used for the purpose can be divided into square shear or rotary shear. There are a square shearing and there are a rotary shearing. So particular square shearing operation diagram shown in this figure, and there are the workpiece is shared between the two blades, lower blades and upper blades. Upper blades and there are lower blades. In this square shearing operation, the workpiece is shared between the two blades. The lower blade is fixed to the machine while the upper blades move up and down with the ram of the machine. As shown in this diagram, the lower blade is fixed to the machine while the upper blades move up and down with the ram of the machine. Then, as shown figure, there was up to 3 meter sheet up to 3 meter wide can be accumulated on the submachine as they are mechanical or hydraulic. Hold down plunger are provided every 300 mm to prevent any movement of the sheet during cutting, and the cutting edge must be hard and then a rack angle as shown provided the cutting edge, and the cutting edge of the upper blade may also be, जैसे कि हमने डायग्राम यहाँ पे देखा था, the cutting edge of the upper blade may also be set a particular angle that is called shear angle, and shear angle is provided to reduce the force necessary for shearing. With a shearing angle, the cutting edge does not engage with entire workpiece simultaneously, as such as the area undergoing shearing at any instant is reduced. The shock on the cutting edge is also considerably reduced as a result of gradual engagement and disengagement, and but a shear angle does not affect the total energy required for making a cut, because with the shear angle and the cutting action is sustained for a longer time. And also, for a good cutting action, proper clearance must be provided between the two cutting edges. Then we see the rotary diagram. This is the diagram for rotary rotary shearing machine diagram. In this diagram, you have seen that there are a lower disc blade, this one is the upper disc blade, and this is the workpiece position. Lower disc blade, upper disc blade, and there are a workpiece. There are the original width of the strip. There are width W1, width W2, W3, and W4. This is the original width of the strip. In there are rotary shearing, particular. In this case, shearing is done with rotary disc. Shearing is done with rotary disc, and the force involved are lower in this case. The force involved are lower in the case, and the length of sheet does not pose any problem, and a number of rotary disc blade suitably placed may be operated simultaneously for a slitting a wide sheet into a smaller strip. This one is the W1, W2, W3 and W4. This indication for number of rotary disc blades suitably placed may be operated simultaneously for slitting a wide sheet into a smaller strip. Then sheet up to 2400 mm, sheet up to 2400 mm width can be sheared this way, and the slit strip may be continuously coiled. Widths are held 1.5 mm. Width are held for 1.5 mm. So this is the rotary shearing diagram. This is the general purpose of shearing machine. We discussed square shearing machine and rotary shearing machine. And there is square shearing machine. There are lower blades and there are upper blade condition. Upper blades और यहाँ पर जो sheets हैं up to 3 meter wide can be accommodated on the some machines. Mechanically a hydraulic hold on the plunger and provide every 300 mm to prevent any movement of the sheet during cutting. यहाँ पे जो cutting edge है वो usually most hard और sharp है, और यहाँ पे जो cutting edge upper blade में also set of angle जिसको हम लोग यहाँ पे बोलते हैं shear angle, जो कि provided to the reduce the force necessary for the shearing with a shearing angle, and the cutting edge does not engage the entire workpiece simultaneously. As such, area undergoing the shearing of an instant is reduced. And then this one is the rotary shearing diagram for lower disc and upper disc blade, and sheet up to 2400 mm. Width can be sheared this way, and slit strip may be continuously coiled. Width are held 1.5 mm.